Your imagination. You're watching the one and only SpongeBob on Nick at Night. Keep it here.
Hey all, it's Tyler, and I'm going to be hosting the 2025 Kids' Choice Awards.
It's going to be the party of the summer slime.
This is so great.
Don't miss the Kids' Choice Awards.
I get to control the slime, right?
Live June 21st on Nickelodeon.
Hey, Dad, check this out. Baby back ribs. Where does it...
The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern St. Charles County in eastern Texas, St. Louis County in eastern Missouri, southwestern Madison County in southwestern Illinois, northwestern St. Clair County in southwestern Illinois, until 4:26 a.m. At 3:01 a.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 3 and 4 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are forecast. Flooding impacts will continue. Hazard: flash flooding caused by heavy rain. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of low water crossings, small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include St. Louis, St. Charles, St. Louis Lambert International Airport, Washington University of St. Louis, Madison, East St. Louis, and St. Louis Downtown Airport. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 4:26 a.m. for the following counties: in Missouri, St. Charles, and St. Louis; in Illinois, Madison, and St. Clair.
I love the show.
It's time to vote for your favorite nominees at the Kids' Choice Awards this year. Like SpongeBob SquarePants, Monster High, Dragon Ball, Daima, Teen Titans Go, The Loud House, and The Simpsons. It's time to vote for your favorite show. It's the party of the summer. Take a peek, yeah, take a glimpse. Who's going home with the face full of slime? Who's going home with the blips?
Vote now and don't miss the Kids' Choice Awards. June 21st on Nickelodeon.
Who remembers what fun stands for? Better keep watching SpongeBob on Nick at Night.
Are you ready, kids?